Digital literacy is the ability to use technologies to find, consume, create, and share digital content in a secure and effective manner. As new technologies emerge, nearly everything we do demands an increased level of technical understanding. That's why TestOut has created Digital Literacy Pro, a comprehensive digital literacy course that provides the tools students need to promote creativity, productivity, and competence in our ever-expanding digital world. With TestOut's full-featured simulations, students will get hands-on experience in fundamental skills, including keyboarding, digital citizenship, Microsoft Office applications, internet, social media, and mobile technologies, online communication, collaboration, and safety. They can also explore more advanced topics, such as computer hardware, operating systems, networking, and introductory programming. Digital Literacy Pro goes beyond mundane reading and quizzes and provides an immersive experience that will engage and test your students in ways that other resources haven't. Within the course, there are several learning resources. Our instructional videos use engaging graphics, animations, and fun examples to introduce students to new concepts and provide clear instructions on topics like motherboards and other key technologies. Here, students learn how motherboards function like our central nervous system. They connect the various individual parts that must work together in order for everything to function. Demonstration videos show students how to complete a specific task using different technologies, such as Microsoft Office applications, internet browser, and iPad. Students will receive step-by-step instructions to guide them through a task, such as formatting tables with Microsoft Word, where they can select table styles, add banded columns, and merge cells to make tables look better and easier to read. Appealing to different learning styles, our text lessons can reinforce and deepen understanding on a given topic. For example, as students learn more about networking cards and cables, they will learn about different types of network interface cards, or what cables are typically used to create a wired network. They can easily refer to the lesson online or print it out for studying purposes. TestOut's state-of-the-art hands-on labs provide opportunities for students to explore technology, gain skills, and assess their capabilities in real-world situations. In keyboarding labs, students learn finger placement for individual keys, practice common words, and progress to typing complex sentences. They will seek to improve their accuracy and words per minute. Students will work within these Microsoft Office applications and apply what they learned in earlier demo videos. For example, this lab is asking us to apply what we learned from the formatting tables demo. Update one table to a different style, shade the cells on this table, and remove borders on this table. Once complete, you can score the lab to see which items were completed correctly and receive instructions for any missed tasks. This same structure is followed as students update presentations on national parks in PowerPoint and use tools in Excel like FlashFill to easily list email addresses. Also, no additional software is needed, as these labs are done within the simulated environment. The simulated internet browser provides a safe, controlled environment to learn in. In this exercise, students determine the credibility of the information found in the search results as they learn about seeking out reliable sources. Students will navigate file systems and configure settings within various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and iPad OS. Within a virtual home office, students can manipulate hardware to configure their environment as needed. For example, they can set up a router and modem, configure the settings for a wireless router, and tweak new configurations inside of Windows, all in a single environment. As students learn how hardware interacts with other components, they will learn to configure devices in the operating system. The systems are robust and work hand in hand. Students will have opportunities to take on larger, more complex tasks, like the optional capstone exercise of building a computer. With all the tasks, students will be able to check their progress without seeing the instructions at the end of a lab. They can see what they have successfully completed, and they can return to the lab to complete the remaining tasks without affecting their score or learning. Lastly, with our code visualizer, students can learn the fundamentals of how code works to communicate with computers. This lab walks through an if-else statement for a car. The first variable is miles until empty. The second is low gas warning. When miles until empty is greater than or equal to low gas warning, it will tell you how many miles until empty. Otherwise, it will give you a warning to find the nearest gas station to purchase gas. With the drag and drop feature, students will insert correct code to achieve a desired outcome. These labs are great for in-class activities or for at-home practice, as they can be done anywhere with access to the internet. Students can test their knowledge with quizzes and learning activities. These learning activities allow students to visually identify and select components on the screen. In this learning review, students are asked to identify different parts on a motherboard, like the processor socket and the SATA data connectors. As they practice and reinforce their mastery of a certain topic, they can verify their understanding of the material being taught. We also provide a question bank with over 800 questions that the instructors can use to create custom assessment quizzes and exams. Digital Literacy Pro is built around a unique TestOut certification, designed to assess the student's competence with new skills and build confidence in continuing their exploration of computer technology. We provide practice exams so students will be well prepared to attain the TestOut Digital Literacy Pro certification. In addition to all these great resources, TestOut Digital Literacy Pro easily integrates into your classroom with simple LMS integration, auto-grading, various teaching aids, and the ability to create custom exams. You'll have more time to focus on student success. 88% of instructors using our courses recommend TestOut. Find out why by visiting testout.com, where you can request free instructor access to Digital Literacy Pro.